Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down and under System and Device, click on Additional Settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list one more time and go to Backup and Reset. Now the very last icon is Erase All Data, so it's Factory Reset, tap on it, and now you can delete all files on the phone and format Mac SD card. If you are aware of that, just click on Reset Phone. Now you have to wait a short while. This factory data reset will erase all data on your phone, including photos, songs, notes, and all the other personal data. Make sure you back up all the important items to the computer. And if you are aware of that, click on Next. Now it's the second notification. This operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure that you want to do it, that you want to reset all the data from your Xiaomi. Click on OK if you do, and wait until all the data is wiped. It will be done automatically, you just have to be patient and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up your device as a new one. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.